Today I'm going to first take your assignment, and I'll tell you the reason also why I'm so keen about assignment. So let us go one by one. Today is 29th, no? Hello, roll number 1. Have you got the assignment? Roll number 2, 3, 4.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 4 was so. Okay. Go ahead. Roll number 4 has shown me 4-time assignment.
Sir. Index.
Okay.
सर हाउस प्रॉपर्टी से बाकी था आपने।
हाँ तो उसके बाद लिख भी तो दो, इंडेक्स में लिखे नहीं है आपने, लिख देना, ठीक है।
चल सर, अच्छा हाँ डेट का डाल देता हूँ सर।
हाँ ओके ठीक है, वेरी गुड। चलिए आगे बढ़िए। गो टू हाउस प्रॉपर्टी 22 to 25, ठीक है ना। हाउ टू गेट द NAV, gross annual value, then deductions under section 24, 25B. Very good. फिर उसके बाद बिजनेस एंड प्रोफेशन।
एक बुक भर गया, दूसरा बुक है।
वाओ ग्रेट, you should deserve good marks in this subject. Very good. फिर कितने पेजेस हुए सचिन ऑल टुगेदर?
1 मिनट सर। हाँ
अदर सोर्सेस तक आपने कर लिया ना? डिडक्शन का भी मैंने उसे बता दिया था, ठीक है। वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस।
160 मतलब 39 50 सर, ऑलमोस्ट 180।
वेरी गुड, एक्सेलेंट एक्सेलेंट पीस ऑफ वर्क। रोल नंबर 5, ये तो पहले से एब्सेंट है, कुछ नहीं करेगा। रोल नंबर 6, रोल नंबर 6।
Yes, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, index page.
देखो जिन्होंने किया है उनके 2-2 बुक तक गए। वेरी गुड।
और सर ये फर्स्ट हो चुका है, मेरा सैलरी से है। ये सैलरी का है नोट्स।
सारे बच्चे जिन्होंने ये किया अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा सारे चैप्टर को रिवाइज करते बैठो। सैलरी, हाउस प्रॉपर्टी एक बार खाली देखो, क्योंकि अभी ग्रॉस टोटल इनकम में ये सारी चीजें आने वाली है, इसके लिए मैंने ये असाइनमेंट रखा हुआ है। वेरी गुड फाल्गुनी। ओके नाइस। स्टिल अदर सोर्सेस आपने कर लिया ना? तो ग्रॉस टोटल इनकम बाकी है, ठीक है, एक्सेलेंट, वेरी गुड।
हाउस प्रॉपर्टी,
बिजनेस प्रोफेशन आएगा उसके बाद, फिर कैपिटल गेन, फिर अदर सोर्सेस। वेरी गुड बच्चा, वेरी गुड।
ये सम्स है।
And those students who are sitting, they can also just have a vouch on these questions. This all is going to be repeated in computation of gross total income. Just now I'll tell you why I'm telling you to have a keen observation on these things which these children are showing to me. Okay. Very good.
ये capital gains.
Super. Short term, long term. ठीक है. Next roll number 7. 8, 9 तो है ही नहीं. 9 है. 9. After that तो no one has shown me. इसके बाद कोई रोल नंबर है? डायरेक्ट 39 मुझे दिखता है. Anyone who got the assignment other than these? ठीक है. Those who have not done, it is their loss. You'll realize now. Then 42 also has shown me once. 51, 52. Anyone be still 52? Then roll number 58. Roll number 58. Roll number 59. Roll number 60. 63. 73. 77.
73.
Wait. 73. Go ahead. These are the children who were sincere earlier also. They are sincere now also. Very good. And they should get good marks in intern.
So I have written.
58 अभी देखता हूँ. Wait. Let me first finish 73. या 73. कितने पेजेस हुए अंजलि बेटा?
So 100.
100. वेरी गुड. सारे चैप्टर्स हैं. देखो बच्चे लोग कैसे हर एक टॉपिक का इन्होंने कंपटीशन करा है. अदर सोर्सेस ऑल्सो.
आगे और भी करना है अभी.
वेरी गुड. Excellent. So we got another student of 58. He has also shown me earlier 2 times her assignment. So let me see. Roll number 58, Susmita. Go ahead. Now you can show us your assignment. Roll number 58. Unmute yourself.
So this is index page. I have not written the date.
Okay. Then
So ये head of income.
उसके बाद
Income from salary.
okay.
Then this is sums. Then the income from business profession.
Okay.
So sums.
Okay.
So this is income from capital gain.
Very good.
Sums. Then income from other sources. Sums. Computations of income के sums होता है. Set of carry forward losses. The done, sir.
Very good. But set off carry forward losses is not there in the syllabus. How you got this? Sachin, Anjali, Falguni, आप लोग को मिला है क्या ऐसा कोई टॉपिक?
नहीं सर, बुक में था ही नहीं.
No sir.
बुक में नहीं, आपके सिलेबस में भी नहीं है. चेक करो.
So I have written from the Google.
Okay, but that's not there. Our syllabus
Okay, sir.
complete only to the extent of computation of gross total income. That's it.
Okay, sir. So what date I should write?
Today's date you put 29.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next, I think after 73, 77 also is very regular. 78 is also very regular. 77. What is 77?
Yes, sir.
देखा. Very good. Go ahead. वीडियो ऑफ है बेटा, नहीं समझ में. Poonam, we are unable to hear you.
सर सो हो रहे हैं.
Yeah, voice तो आ रही है, but we are unable to see your assignment.
स्क्रीन शॉट.
वीडियो आपने ऑफ रखा हुआ.
एक मिनट.
Now it is there. Turn the pages. Very good. Turn the pages. Very good. I believe
So
these
you
are
saw.
capital gains.
यस सर.
No, ये तो मुझे हाउस रेसिडेंशियल दिख रहा है. रेसिडेंशियल. Okay. Very nice. How many pages it is? Entire assignment.
सो एक्चुअली मैंने 21 पेज. 21
बस?
पेजेस.
इतना कम?
एक्चुअली सर मैं सर जो बुक थे नोटबुक वो गुम हो गए तो फिर मैंने न्यू बनाए.
चलो ठीक. It was roll number 77. Roll number 78.
सर कैन आई ऑल्सो शो, मतलब पूरा नहीं लिखा लेकिन थोड़ा थोड़ा लिखा है.
देखता हूँ. पहले 78 देख लेते. 78. Now go
Yes,
to.
sir.
Go
Yes,
ahead.
sir.
78 part. बता. Very good. Very nice. Okay, next. Go ahead. Okay. Good.
Done, sir.
How many pages part?
Sir, 85.
Very good. Very good. Now let me see roll number 30 also has. 30 आपने पहले कभी नहीं दिखाया था. This is first time only showing us. चलो ठीक है. Not to worry. Roll number 30.
So from residential status I have written because
Okay.
in
Yes,
some
yes.
lectures I was outside.
Yes, we should write from residential status.
So from income from salary.
Okay. Great. Good.
So this
Very
is
good.
the US section and
few notes, means like few sums I have not done, so I left the pages.
Very good. So kindly take it from someone else. Very
What's
nice
that?
to know. Those sums which are missing, kindly complete.
Yes, sir.
78. I believe 94 had shown me once. Anyone else?
Yes, sir.
Who
Sir,
is
can I
this?
show you now?
Who is this?
Sir,
94, no?
first two lesson were showed by me.
Yeah, 94, na? I have asked 94.
Yes, sir.
I am asking other than 94 anyone. No one. Chalo. Go ahead, 94.
Yes.
Unmute yourself.
So this is the index.
Very good. Next. To see how the salary is computed, basic, DA, HRA, how the house property next he is going to show you to be computed, whereby we are going to consider gross annual value, the net annual value, the deduction. Go ahead, Vita. Go ahead. Next page. Jyoti. Others, please keep watch on this, because now today we are going to have the gross total income, whereby this all chapter will come. See how the gross annual value, net annual value, deductions, arrears received, unrealized rent received, he has done it. Then business and profession. There also how the from net profit add disallowable expenses, deduct disallowable incomes, and finally we calculate, or we take only the taxable income or taxable expenses. Likewise. Go ahead. Next. Then it is other sources. No, capital gain. Long-term capital gain. And now other sources. Very good. So which are not classified in any of above head will be classified in other sources. Yes, anyone can show Pankaj, no problem. Thank you, Beta. Thank you, 94.
Thank you, sir.
So now I will go for roll number 40. Pankaj also wanted to show. Pankaj, you can show us an assignment of yours.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
So this is index.
Yes, Ria, you can show me the assignment tomorrow. No problem. Very good, Pankaj. So after Pankaj, I think we don't have any other student. Anyone want to show their assignment?
Sir, can I show?
Yes, 63.
Sir, this is index.
Very good, very nicely noted. Superb. Good. See how they have computed the gratuity related to salary, everything, how the salary to be computed. Now this is house property. He has maintained again notes for house property, how they have got the gross annual value, the net annual value, then deduction. Very nice, very good. And capital gain is the capital gain, what I am finding in our book. Very good. Other sources, very nicely maintained. Very good.
Done, sir.
Excellent. Anyone else? This was 63, na, roll number?
Yes, sir.
Anyone else still who has left? Okay. So now you will realize why I was asking, because actually speaking, they will ask full length question only during your exam. For which it's not only you need to learn the taxable income, but also you need to learn the deduction which I have taken during last lecture. You know, ATC, ATCCC, ATG, ATE, ATU, ये सारी चीजें भी जानने की बहुत जरूरत है. Then only you can compute your income. So there might be any heads, 2 heads or more than 2 heads of income. उसको आपको compute करना है. That will give you gross total income. Then section 80 का deduction, and finally you will get the net taxable income. So we'll be doing question on this. जैसे अभी आप देखेंगे ग्रॉस टोटल इनकम में पहला एक क्वेश्चन है related to Ganesh Bhatt. Yes, these are all salary related details. Yes or no? Basic, CA, DA, ये सारे टैक्सेबल थे कि नहीं सैलरी में? याद करो.
हाँ सर.
सारे सैलरी रिलेटेड है. फिर यहाँ से क्या हो जाता है? हाउस प्रॉपर्टी है कि नहीं? ठीक है. And then now here onwards it is ET, Mediclaim and ETC, investment in government securities and Mediclaim. तो ये सारी चीजें आएंगी तो ही आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can solve the question. You can compute the salary income. Now salary income I will not teach. I have already taught. You have to compute house property income, or you have to compute. Next question you will find business profession. Next to next question you will find other sources. Next to next you will find a business and capital gain. Any 2 heads they may give, or more than 2 also they can give, no problem. So take the total of all, you will get gross total income. And from there, if you deduct the deductions, you will get the net taxable income. And then we will go for tax slab, and then we will compute the taxable liability. Okay, as I have already given you in the textbook also, as well as in the bridge course also, at the very initial phase of your learning. These are the tax slab. तो आपने क्या करना है? सारे हेड का टोटलिंग कर लेना है, as we have learned. So that will give us the gross total income. During last lecture also I have taught. And then deduction, that will give us net taxable income. Then we will apply the tax slab. Okay. So यही सारी चीजें अभी करनी है. And we don't have that much time. So kindly rejoin immediately, because I don't want to have any break, with the same link, and then we will continue further. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
ये सारी की सारी चीजें अभी ये जितनी चीजें वो सैलरी में कंप्यूट होगी. तो सैलरी तो ऑलरेडी हमने सीखा हुआ है. ये सारी चीजें हाउस प्रॉपर्टी में कंप्यूट होगी. तो हमने हाउस प्रॉपर्टी में ऑलरेडी सीखा हुआ है. And that is why I have given you the assignment and I have assessed the assignment. Those children जिन्होंने अभी असाइनमेंट दिखाए उनके लिए दिस ऑल विल बी द वेरी ईज जर्नी, उनको बहुत समझ में आएगा, क्यों, उनके पास रेफरेंस मटेरियल है। जिन्होंने नहीं लिखे हैं, वेरी टफ जॉब, वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर देम टू अंडरस्टैंड। समझा सचिन, व्हाई आई वाज इंसिस्टिंग टू हैव
हाँ
द
सर।
final assignment evaluation today. This was the logic there. ये जब तक नहीं आएगा उनको क्वेश्चन ही सॉल्व नहीं कर पाएंगे, और इसके लिए वापस थोड़ी मैं हाउस प्रॉपर्टी सिखाऊंगा, वो तो हमने ऑलरेडी सीखा हुआ है। इसके लिए वापस मैंने बिजनेस प्रोफेशन थोड़ी सिखाना है, वो तो ऑलरेडी हमने सीखा हुआ है। समझा कि नहीं आप लोगों ने? तो जिन्होंने वो सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करे हैं उनके लिए बहुत ईज हो जाएगा, दे विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड। जिन्होंने नहीं करे उनको बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगेगा। So it is my humble request, other students, those who have not created their assignment, kindly take the assistance of these children उन्होंने जिन्होंने होमवर्क करे हुए हैं, उनसे लो and complete your assignment for better future. Okay, because this subject you are not learning only to clear the exam, but also to utilize in your personal and professional life. So kindly rejoin with the same login. Okay.